Hello guys, and welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel, Naija News and Entertainment. Yeah guys, still on the BBNaija 2020 reunion show. This is what happened last night on the show. Ella reveals what led to the insinuation that Tasha has body odor. The show for the day was about sisterhood and drama. Now hearing that from Ebuka was enough to prepare the minds of everyone who knows what the show is all about, or those who have seen women do their thing should know that the night was going to be hot. On the latest edition of the BBNaija 2020 reunion show, talks about Tasha smelling was revisited and it appeared to be a bomb waiting to detonate again. Recall that during the BBNaija 2019 edition, the issue of Tasha smelling came up, and the fire that fell on the house that day was enough to consume a whole city. Everybody, including the viewers, thought Kimopra was the one who insinuated that Tasha has body odor. Well, it was actually Ella who said it. Anyway, since the BBNaija 2020 reunion was meant to bring the housemates together and ensure that they get past their differences, Ebuka asked Ella what actually happened that made her insinuate that Tasha has body odor. Ella, trying to shed more light on the issue, revealed that she was not the only one involved in the Tasha smelling insinuation. She went further to state she had the private discussion with Kimopra, and it was Kimopra who leaked the conversation in an interview, making it escalate. At this point, there was a tense argument between Ella and Kimopra about who insinuated that Tasha has body odor. It was an awkward moment for both of them, and Tasha too, who was surprised watching it all unfold. However, Ella ended the argument by saying she regretted ever saying that about Tasha and that it was not meant to hurt her. She pointed out that she was very sorry for saying Tasha smells. The repentant Ella maintained that she has changed now and it would be nice if Tasha accepts her apology. When it was Tasha's turn to talk about either accepting or rejecting the apology, she made an epic statement. Tasha said, "Since different things have been said, and the point is to move on, there's no problem about that." Tasha's statement came as a shock to me, as I expected her, as usual, to go all out for Kimopra and Ella. Instead, she let it all slide. Tasha seems to be acting all cool and classy on the reunion show. What are your observations? Please kindly let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. If this is your first time of viewing my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification when a story drops.